How to connect YouTube channel to your Facebook page. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily do that. First thing you do is simply head over to your youtube.com. Now you're going to have to go to your channel and then copy your channel's link. So I'll just go to the URL bar and then copy this link. Then head over to facebook.com. And now from here, you can just go ahead and click on the drop-down menu and switch over to your page. So I can just click on here and then switch over to my page. Click on the page icon again. And once you get to the manage page option, here you go to about section. And here you can add contact details, website, and social link. Click on add social link. Click on the drop down and then select the YouTube from here. Now paste your link and then click on save. So that's how you basically do it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.